Software as service. Software as service refers to a complete application which serves or solves one of the possible business problems like database management, chat, lead management, process management, you know, ticketing, software ticketing, right? Call center management. So stuff like that would be like a complete software, a complete application which solves one or more business problems. When an organization uses a software which is built by another organization, you pay an annual or a monthly subscription to use it. It's called software as a service. These softwares are maintained by the parent company and they provide regular updates to it. So for example, software as a service would be a WhatsApp. You are using WhatsApp, but you don't maintain WhatsApp, right? And something very similar to when you pay monthly subscription. So let's say you're using Netflix. So that could be a software as a service. So these are a couple of examples. Please share your questions, comments, and feedback in the comments section.